Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about left function in Excel. So this left function is categorized under Excel text functions and it will return a specific number of characters from the start of a given text string. So you can ask that where can we use this left function in our day-to-day work, right? So in your day-to-day analysis work, the left function can be useful if you wish to extract characters from the left side of a text, and generally it is used by combining it with other functions such as concatenate, value, sum, count, and there are a whole lot of functions which you can use with this left function. So for this video we have an example is that you have to get the lane name from the customer address, and within this example I'll show you that how you can use left function with other functions of Excel. So there is an order table and we have a result set. From this order table we have to get the lane name in which these customers are living, right? So for the first row, which is in row 6, you can see that the lane 5 is present in delivery address, right? And we need to get this lane 5 in our result set. So what we can do is that we can simply use this equal to left function, and then we can use this C6 as the argument. The first argument that left asks is the text from where do you want to get the substring using this left function, and then the second argument it asks is the number of characters that you want. So if we count the number of characters in lane 5, it has 6 characters, right? So if I put comma 6 and then close the bracket, it should ideally give me lane 5 only. There it is, it gives me lane 5. So this worked for row number 6, right? Now if I drag this formula till down, you will see that you are not getting the exact, or you are not getting the correct output, because if you go to row number 9, you have lane 18 while you are getting lane 1 here. Same thing for lane 16, lane 11, lane 16, lane 20. So currently what's happening here is that you have hard coded the number of characters that you want to get. So this might be useful when you know that you only have to get the first 6 characters from a string. But as per our example, the lane and dash then the number can be from 1 to 100, right? And it might be 1, it might be 20, it might be 50, it might be 101. So we have to make our argument in the left function dynamic, right? So what we can do here is that we can use another formula with left function to get the exact and the correct lane for that particular customer. So in our previous video we have explained you about the find function, right? So we will be using that find function here with this left function to get our correct lane. So let's put the find function in another cell first so that I can show you how to make your argument dynamic in the left function. So we'll put equal to and find. Now if you see the pattern of the delivery address, after lane there is a comma, right? So if we find out the first comma in the delivery address, then we can get our proper lane name. So we have to find comma within the text which is here, delivery address, and the find function should start the searching from the first character, right? So we know that the lane 5 is still character 6, but this comma is at character 7, right? Now if I remove one character from this find function output, then we'll get our correct output. So if I put equal to this minus 1, then we get 6, right? Similarly, if I drag this entire formula find as well as find formula minus 1, you will see that this in this row number 9 you have lane 18. So this comma appears at 8th index within this character, right? It is on the 8th position. So if I count from L till 18 or 8, it has 7 characters. So we need to get 7 characters from this address. So we have to get 7 characters from the left of this address. So that is what we had done here. We found out the first comma that is appearing in the delivery address. We reduced 1, then we got 7. So what we can do is that we can simply use this find function. Then we can, if we put -1 here, then we'll get the exact length of the lane part, right? And if we use this find function as the argument in our left function, then our argument is dynamic and we will get the correct lane name in our result set. So let's drag this formula. Now you can see that you are getting the correct lane name for each of these customers, right? So this is how basically you use the left function, and you can use this left function with a bunch of different formulas or functions in Excel, such as value, sum, count, concatenate, find, and everything. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.